Is it the right time to make a decision about supermicrocomputer stock? Let's delve deeper into this topic. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 5, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on all our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. We wouldn't want you to miss any crucial updates that might impact your investments. Make better trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 4, 2024, our system ranked supermicrocomputer as a hold/accumulate with a score of 0.00. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, supermicrocomputer has gained an impressive 129.69% since we first recommended buying it 22 days ago. That's an average return of 5.9% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system suggests high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, it's difficult to predict the stock's next direction as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong and wide upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. In case of any pullback, there is now support at the previous trend line of $510.72, which could present a second opportunity for growth. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential forecasted change of 93.32% over the next quarter, with possible returns ranging from 7.70% to 48.84%. Furthermore, the 12-month trend suggests a projected change of 143.8% over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 15.64% to 84.16%. This implies a price range of $767.11 to $1,221.60 after 12 months. Our latest update on supermicrocomputer reveals high volatility in its stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $663.35. The stock price of supermicrocomputer experienced a gain of 14.44% on the last trading day, Monday, February 5, 2024. It increased from $579.63 to $663.35. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 13.95%, reaching a low of $588 and a high of $670. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 8 instances and has seen an overall increase of 52.06% in the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded has also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical sign. A total of 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.27 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $670, while the lowest price was $80. At present, the stock price is 0.99% or $6.65 below its 52-week high of $670, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Susquehanna gave SMCI a negative grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 22, 2024, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, August 23, 2023, Wedbush gave SMCI a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, August 10, 2023, Susquehanna gave SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given supermicrocomputer stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. Additionally, for return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for supermicrocomputer. Super Microcomputer's stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $548.41 and $376.79. However, a breakdown below these levels would issue sell signals. On Wednesday, January 3, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 136.37%. It is anticipated to continue rising until a new top pivot is identified. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The rising volume along with the price is considered to be a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it indicates a buy signal. Pivots, it shows a buy signal from 23 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 94 days ago. Short-term moving average, it produced a buy signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, it gave a sell signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, a buy signal was observed 35 days ago. Now, let's look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it signaled a sell 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, it indicated a buy 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, it generated a buy signal 41 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Super Microcomputer. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume at $583.50 and $579.63, which act as support for the stock. However, it's important to note that there is always a risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this support level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In the case of Super Microcomputer, the next support levels from accumulated volume would be at $583.50 and $512.97. Moving on to risk, it's worth mentioning that this stock is considered to be very high risk due to its volatility. It has the potential to move significantly during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval for this stock. Taking a look at its recent performance, we can see that in the last day, the stock moved $82 between its high and low, which translates to a 13.95% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 9.97%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Super Microcomputer, let's start by reviewing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate high growth in the future. Now, let's shift our focus to upcoming news. The next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 30, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Super Microcomputer. When it comes to resistance levels, we don't see any significant barriers based on accumulated volume. This suggests that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a rapid upward movement. In such situations, it might be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide to decide when to exit. Now, let's shift our focus to the downside. Super Microcomputer encounters its first support level at $583.50. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's price. The consensus rating for Super Microcomputer from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Fairfax Daniel W. sold 300 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Chan Shu Liang bought 2,000 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, LIU Tally C bought 102 shares of stock option, right to buy. On February 1, 2024, LIU Tally C bought 86 shares of restricted stock units. On January 29, 2024, Luliang Chiu Chu Sarah bought 438 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is positive with a ratio of 29.897. Overall, insiders have purchased 515,409 shares and sold 254,430 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting your stop loss at $642.79, representing a decrease of 3.1%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which also means there is a higher level of risk involved. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 95, further increasing the risk. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom detected 22 days ago. Is Super Microcomputer stock a good buy? While Super Microcomputer holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. At its current level, we recommend considering it as a hold candidate or accumulating more shares, as we await further development. However, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, February 6, we anticipate Super Microcomputer to open down by $22.90, with an initial trading price of $640.45. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a basis for making investment decisions. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. We're excited to share our current view of the stock with you. We value your opinion, so let us know in the comments if you agree or disagree. We're also interested to hear your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.